New leaks are revealing a major shift in Apple's future product strategy, and it could change how the company names and positions its most powerful devices. For years, Apple has used labels like Pro and Pro Max to represent the highest level of performance in its lineup. But according to new reports, Apple is preparing something even bigger. Instead of simply launching a foldable iPhone with a basic name like iPhone Fold, the company may introduce an entirely new category called Ultra. This means the upcoming foldable iPhone might actually launch as the iPhone Ultra, becoming the most advanced and most expensive smartphone Apple has ever created. The idea behind the Ultra branding is simple. Apple wants to create a new tier of products that sits above the current Pro lineup. These devices will target users who want the absolute best technology available, even if it comes at a very high price. The Ultra label would represent the most powerful hardware, the newest innovations and exclusive features that are not available in standard or Pro models. This strategy is not completely new. Apple has already tested the Ultra branding with products like the Apple Watch Ultra, which is designed for extreme environments and professional users. Now the company appears ready to expand this branding across multiple product categories. According to leaks, the first major device to receive this treatment could be the foldable iPhone, expected to launch in 2026. Instead of calling it the iPhone Fold, Apple may market it as the iPhone Ultra to emphasize that it represents the next level of smartphone technology. Reports suggest that this device could feature a foldable display that opens up into a much larger screen. When unfolded, it may provide a wider aspect ratio, giving users more space for apps, multitasking, and media consumption. This could allow the phone to function almost like a small tablet while still fitting into a pocket when folded. Multitasking is also expected to become a major focus. The larger display could allow multiple apps to run side by side more smoothly, making the device especially useful for productivity tasks. Professionals who work on the go could benefit from the extra screen space, whether they are responding to emails, editing documents, or managing projects. Of course, all of this advanced technology will likely come with a very high price. Current rumors suggest the iPhone Ultra could cost around $400. That would make it one of the most expensive smartphones ever released by Apple. However, Apple is not necessarily expecting to sell this device in huge numbers. Instead, the goal is to focus on smaller sales volumes but much higher profit margins. This strategy allows Apple to push technological boundaries while maintaining strong revenue from its premium customers. The introduction of the Ultra tier could also change how the rest of Apple's lineup is positioned. Devices like the iPhone Pro Max may no longer represent the top of the range. Instead, they could become the mid-tier premium option, sitting below the new Ultra models. And the iPhone is not the only product that may receive this treatment. Leaks suggest Apple could also introduce a MacBook Ultra and AirPods Ultra in the future. The MacBook Ultra is rumored to bring some major upgrades to Apple's laptop lineup. One of the biggest expected changes is the addition of an OLED touchscreen display. Apple has traditionally avoided touchscreens on MacBooks, but this could finally change with the Ultra model. Along with the new display technology, the MacBook Ultra may also feature an extremely thin design and powerful next-generation chips like the M6 Pro or M6 Max. These processors could deliver incredible performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. The goal would be to create a laptop designed specifically for professionals who need the highest level of performance in a portable machine. Premium materials and cutting-edge technology would help the MacBook Ultra stand out as the ultimate professional laptop. At the same time, Apple may also be preparing AirPods Ultra, which could push personal audio technology even further. These earbuds are rumored to include improved noise cancellation, better transparency mode, and significantly upgraded sound quality. Apple could also introduce new features like spatial tracking cameras and an advanced H3 chip to enhance audio processing and spatial audio performance. With these upgrades, AirPods Ultra would target audiophiles and professional users who demand the best possible listening experience. Just like the other Ultra products, the focus would be on premium features rather than mass-market pricing. But why is Apple moving in this direction? The answer may lie in Apple's long-standing pricing strategy. The company has often used a tiered system where each product level offers slightly better features at a slightly higher price. This approach encourages customers to move up the pricing ladder. For example, someone considering a standard model might decide to spend a little more for the Pro version. And once the Pro model exists, some users may decide to spend even more for the Ultra version. By adding this extra tier, Apple can increase the average amount customers spend while still offering products for different budgets. Another benefit of the Ultra tier is that it gives Apple a place to experiment with new technologies. Foldable displays, advanced processors, and new audio systems could first appear in Ultra models before eventually spreading to other devices in the future. This allows Apple to test innovations with a smaller group of premium buyers before bringing them to the wider market. The introduction of Ultra devices also reflects how Apple's product lineup has evolved over time. Years ago, Apple's strategy was much simpler, focusing mainly on consumer and professional products. But today, the tech market is far more competitive, and companies are constantly searching for new ways to stand out. By creating an Ultra category, Apple can continue expanding its ecosystem while maintaining its image as a company that pushes technology forward. For consumers, this growing lineup also means more choices than ever before. From standard models to Pro devices and now potentially Ultra models, buyers will have multiple options depending on their needs and budgets. However, understanding Apple's pricing strategy becomes even more important. Many upgrades between tiers may seem small, but the psychological effect can encourage users to spend much more than they originally planned. That is why carefully considering personal needs before choosing a device is always important. The Ultra models will likely offer incredible technology, but they may only be necessary for users who truly need the most advanced features available. One thing is clear from these leaks. Apple's future lineup could look very different from what exists today. The Ultra branding may soon represent the peak of Apple's innovation, bringing foldable smartphones, powerful laptops, and advanced audio technology into a completely new category. And if the rumors are accurate, the iPhone Ultra could become the most ambitious smartphone Apple has ever created. What do you think about Apple introducing an Ultra iPhone? Is a foldable iPhone worth a price close to $2,400, or is that simply too expensive? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more upcoming tech leaks and updates.